cannot repeat the melody of love. Each note has its own sound. It will be twirled by gentle winds of thought, or blown by coldness or sadness. Life's keys have a black and white tone, and each of us is given by God a lesson that you are ready to pass, predetermined by your soul. Cannot repeat the melody of the soul. Each of us has our own sound. We compose poems for ourselves, but destiny has a different plan. Let the mist over the river get cold. Let the years fly by under the cries of seagulls. We will leave a monologue in eternity, crowning our own destiny with the hand of the Creator.